Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the chapter number 1 chemical reaction and equation, and in this video we will see the important board question. The first question is, what do you mean by chemical reaction? Sorry, 1 minute please. The first question is that what do you mean by chemical reaction? Huh. What do you mean by chemical reaction? So the answer is chemical reaction is a process in which new substances are formed with new different properties. For example, hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. This is a picture, as we can see that this is a oxygen molecules and this is hydrogen molecule. Sorry, this is hydrogen and this is oxygen. When this will react, then it is formed the H2O. Second question, what is meant by the reactant and product? What do you mean by reactant and product? Explain with example. Reactant. Those substances which take part in a chemical reaction are known as reactant, and those substances which produce as a result of chemical reaction are known as product. For example, magnesium plus oxygen gives out magnesium oxide. Here in this example, magnesium plus oxygen gives out magnesium oxide. Magnesium and oxygen are reactant. Why? Because they take part in a chemical reaction, and magnesium oxide is product which produce or form. मतलब this is produced. That's why we call it a chemical reaction. And the third question is, what is catalyst? Catalyst Catalysts are those substances which increase the rate of chemical reaction without involving in it. Next question is question 4. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? This is an NCERT textbook question. The answer is very simple. Magnesium ribbon is cleaned to remove the protective layer of magnesium oxide from its surface so that it may readily combine with oxygen of air on heating. Question number 5. Which gas, sorry, here has not gas. Which gas is evolved during the chemical reaction of sodium carbonate and dilute sulfuric acid? The answer is carbon dioxide gas. Question 6. Which gas is evolved during the chemical reaction between zinc and dilute sulfuric acid? Answer is hydrogen gas. Question 7. Give any example of change in color. Answer. The chemical reaction between citric acid and purple colored potassium permanganate solution is characterized by change in color from purple to colorless. Question number 8. What is the other name of calcium hydroxide? Answer is slag lime. Next question is, what do you mean by chemical equation? What do you mean by chemical equation? The chemical equation is the method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbol and formula of the substance involved in it, known as chemical equation. Next question is, what is meant by balanced and unbalanced equation? Answer is, balanced chemical equation has an equal number of atoms of different element in the reactant and product. Unbalanced chemical equation has an unequal number of atoms of one or more element in the reactant and product. Next question. Why should the chemical equation be balanced? Chemical equation should be balanced to follow the law of conservation of mass. In class 9th we have studied that the law of conservation of mass was given by the Lavoisier, and he said that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. The total mass of reactant is equal to the total mass of product. Next question is, what is precipitate? The insoluble product is called precipitate. Means those solid product which cannot be dissolved in water is known as the precipitate. Next question, What are exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction? Before going to its answer, I would like to tell you exo. Exo means out and thermal means heat. Indo means in, thermic means out. Exothermic means heat out. Heat is outside. This means that those reaction in which heat is evolved are known as the exothermic reaction. For example, when carbon burn in oxygen to form carbon dioxide, a lot of heat is produced. ठीक है, a lot of heat is produced. Next question is endothermic reaction. Those reaction in which heat is absorbed are known as endothermic reaction. For example, the reaction between nitrogen and oxygen to form monoxide is an endothermic reaction. Next question number 14. Why respiration is considered as an endothermic Why respiration is considered as an exothermic process? Answer. Respiration is an exothermic process because energy is produced during the process. I has written the formula. C6H12 plus 6O2 CO2 gives out 6. देख लीजिएगा आप लोग. Question number 15. Give any example of change in temperature. The chemical reaction between quicklime and water to form slagged lime. Slagged lime is characterized by change in temperature, which is rise in temperature. Last answer. 16th question. Give an example of chemical reaction in our daily life. The example of chemical reaction. The example of chemical reaction in our daily life is souring of milk, formation of curd, cooking of food, digestion of food, process of respiration, fermentation of grapes, rusting of iron, burning the fuel. There are so many examples in our daily life that chemical reaction has happened. Question number 17. What happened chemically when quicklime is or क्विकलाइम को हम लोग कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड भी कहते हैं. व्हाट हैपन व्हेन इट विल बी एडेड टू वाटर फिल्ड इन अ बकेट? द आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. क्विकलाइम इज एडेड टू वाटर filled in bucket, then it react vigorously with water to produce slag lime, that is calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. Some MCQ. Okay, you will try to solve by oneself. One of the following does not happen during a chemical reaction. Yeah, tell me the answer. One of the following does not happen during a chemical reaction. Breaking of old chemical bond and formation. Yeah, this happened. This is true. Formation of new substance which entirely in different property. Yes, so this is also right. For example, hydrogen react with oxygen to form water. Their property has changed. Atoms of one element change into those of to form. This is wrong. Those are not changed. Arrangement of, yeah, this is taken. So option C is wrong, means option C is correct option. Question 19. Which of the following does not involve a chemical digestion? These are the four options. So D. Answer D is a right. Last question 20. An acid which can decolorize purple color potassium permanganate is self. Answer D, hydrochloric acid. Okay. So thank you. Subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel for latest update. For more video.